Sa mga oras na to mga kaibigan ay naglabas na nga ng public statement ang One Direction kaugnay nga sa pagpanaw ng kanilang brother na si Liam Payne sa kanilang official social media accounts. Sinabi nila rito, "I were completely devastated by the news of Liam's passing. In time, and when everyone is able to, there will be more to say. But for now, we will take some time to grieve and process the loss of our brother, who we love dearly. The memories we shared with him will be treasured forever. For now, our thoughts are with his family, his friends, and the fans who love him alongside us. We'll miss him terribly. We love you, Liam, Louis, Zane, Niall, and Harry." At sumunod nito mga kaibigan, ay nag-post na rin itong si Louis Tomlinson. At sinabi niya rito sa kanyang official social media accounts na, "I am beyond devastated to be writing this, but yesterday I lost a brother. Liam was somebody I look up to every day, such a positive, funny, and kind soul." Talaga nga namang nalungkot ang mga fans sa kanilang pay tribute sa kanilang tinuturing na kapatid na si Liam Payne. "I want you to know that if Bear ever needs me, I will be the uncle he needs in his life and tell him stories of how amazing his dad was. I wish I got chance to say goodbye and tell you one more time how much I love you. Payno, my boy, one of my best friends, my brother, I love you mate. Sleep well, X." Halos magkakasunod sila nag-post mga kaibigan dahil pati si Zayn Malik ay nagbigay na rin ng public statement para sa tinuturing niyang kapatid na si Liam Payne. At sinabi niya rito ay, "Liam, I have found myself talking out loud to you, hoping you can hear me. I can't help but think selfishly that there was so many more conversations for us to have in our lives. I never got to thank you for supporting me through some of the most difficult times in my life. When I was missing home as a 17-year-old kid, you would always be there with a positive outlook and reassuring smile and let me know you were my friend and that I was loved. Even though you were younger than me, you were always more sensible than me. You were headstrong, opinionated, and gave no fucks about telling people when they were wrong. Even though we battled heads because of this a few times, I always secretly respected you for it. When it came to the music, Liam, you were the most qualified in every sense. I knew nothing in comparison. I was a novice child with no experience and you were already a professional. I was always happy to know, no matter what happened on stage, we could always rely on you to know which way to steer the ship next. I lost a brother when you left us and can't explain to you what I'd give to just give you a hug one last time and say goodbye to you properly and tell you that I love and respected you dearly. I will cherish all the memories I have with you in my heart forever. There is no words just justify or explain how I feel right now other than beyond devastated. I hope that wherever you are right now, you are good and are at peace. And you know how loved you are. Love you, bro." Kasunod naman nito, makalipas lamang ang ilang oras, ay nag-post na rin itong si Harry Styles at pinakita ang litrato ni Liam Payne habang ito'y kumakanta. Sinabi niya sa kanyang short message na, "I am truly devastated by Liam's passing. His greatest joy was making other people happy, and it was an honor to be alongside him as he did it. Liam lived wide open with his heart on his sleeve. He had an energy for life that was infectious. He was warm, supportive, and incredibly loving. The years we spent together will forever remain among the most cherished years of my life. I will miss him always, my lovely friend. My heart breaks for Karen, Jeff, Nicola, and Ruth, his son Bear, and all those around the world who knew and loved him as I did." From Harry. Kaya naman sa mga mensaheng ito mga kaibigan ay talaga nga namang nakakahabag ng damdamin. Halos mapapaiyak ka na lamang sa mga mensaheng iniwan nila dahil sinasariwa nila ang pagpanaw ng kanilang tinuturing na brother na si Liam Payne. At sa ngayon mga kaibigan ay hinihintay na lamang natin ang public statement ni Niall Horan na magbigay ito ng kanyang mensahe sa kanyang social media accounts.